Did you know there's a flower that transforms when it rains? In this fascinating video, we'll introduce you to the skeleton flower, a unique plant with petals that turn transparent when wet. Discover the science behind this incredible phenomenon, its natural habitat, and why it's so rare. The skeleton flower, scientifically known as Diphylleia Grayi, has white petals that turn clear when exposed to water. The science behind this transformation is fascinating. The petal's unique structure allows water to fill in tiny air pockets, making the petals refract light differently, creating a transparent effect. You can find the skeleton flower in the cool, moist forests of China, Japan, and the Appalachian Mountains in the USA. It prefers shaded, damp environments. The skeleton flower is rare because it has specific environmental needs that are uncommon in other parts of the world. The skeleton flower holds cultural and symbolic significance. It is often seen as a symbol of beauty and resilience. You can grow the skeleton flower at home by providing it with plenty of shade and moisture. It thrives in damp, shaded environments. The skeleton flower reminds us of nature's endless wonders. If you loved learning about this magical plant, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the natural world, and don't forget to share your favorite unique plants in the comments below.